Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you can reach the back corridors in the castle. Once done, head to the west alcove immediately. You don't need extra farming, just a single save and one healing item to avoid a costly reload. Check low walls and floor tiles slowly because the keyhole hides as a faint outline. Crouch or inspect every suspicious seam. If you see a pattern tile, push or interact with it right away. Then prepare to trace hidden. Once you find the cracked tiles, follow them deliberately. They form a route that skirts trapped tiles and leads to a narrow stairwell. Along that path, you'll hit a 2-switch puzzle. Flip the first, sprint to the second, and flip it back before the timer ends. Use a ranged option to trigger any pressure plates that are across a gap, because standing on them may reset the sequence. Keep an eye on subtle audio cues. They indicate when a hidden door is primed to open. You finish by entering the small chamber behind the hidden door and confronting the guardian. Once defeated, pick up the Jevill Key from its shimmer. Use the key right away on the ornate lock in the north tower. Doing so prevents backtracking puzzles from relocking. If something goes wrong, reload the last save and repeat the pressure plate sequence in the exact order you discovered. Make sure to clear any lingering enemies first, because they can interrupt the timed switches and prevent the door from opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.